This is our multifunctional coffee machine, compatible for Kcup Nespresso-Ground Coffee and Dolce Gusto capsules. This is the sweet button. LED light is flashing. It means it's preheating. Underneath of the machine, here you can put in whatever you want to put. This one can use a higher cup. Yeah, in 176. It's about over 7 inches. Yes, here. Okay. And this way, and also this way. Yes. And we have different adapters. This one is for Nespresso, and we have this one is for Kcup. And today we want to show you the functions of Nespresso and the Kcups. Now we will show you the Kcup functions. Take out the capsule holder and get a Kcup capsules, and please press the capsules and then close the lid. So easy. Okay, put it inside, and then we will choose the button. This one is for Kcup, and we have 7 levels. It's about 4 ounce, 6 ounce, 8 ounce, 10 ounce, 12 ounce, 14 and 16 ounces. And now we will show you the 10 ounces. Yeah, it's 4 levels. And we choose the function, the brewing amount, and then we press the brew button here. And now it's preheating. Okay, you can see the Kcup. And this one, the function is for air blowing the water inside the Kcup capsule, so to avoid the water dripping. Capsule, put it inside and close the lid. When we use the Nespresso function, so we need to choose this button. You can see here, 1 level, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the brewing amount is different for the Kcup capsule, and they use the different brewing levels. Now we use the second level for the and there you can see the coffee, the range for crema.